Well, we have great news. We are working actively on our Bcorp label for the moment. Bcorp is actually a private certification showing social environmental performance of a company. Only a few companies in the world already have this certification for the moment, so we think it's quite important for us to go for that. It's quite important for us. We are in a very fast changing world. All the business models are changing, and we want to make sure that everything we do makes sense, that it makes sense for the suppliers we have, that it makes sense for the people we have, and that it makes sense for the clients, but also for the readers of our books. So the whole chain have to show that what we do is socially viable, that it's good for environment, that there is a social benefit.